Hi, so today I'm going to be showing you how to install Google Analytics on WordPress. It's pretty easy. I can just show you with we just need to add one plugin to WordPress, and you can follow along to this video even if you don't have a Google Analytics account or something like that. So you can still follow along because I'll be showing you from scratch how to actually do it. So let's begin. Alright, so log into the dashboard. I'm just going to quickly do that. Alright, now that you're in the dashboard, you need to navigate to plugins and add new. Alright, so over here, go to the search bar and type in Monster Insight. So here's the plugin. It's Google Analytics Dashboard plugin, and just make sure it's by Monster Insight so you're not installing something else. So click on install now and activate. Alright, so here's the start page of Monster Insight. Click on launch the wizard. Alright, so here you need to choose what is the category of your website. So I'm gonna go to publisher and save and continue. Click on connect Monster Insight. Alright, now use the Google account that you wanted to use for analytics. So this is mine. Just click allow. And gives us an error. So basically we don't have a Google Analytics account, so we click here in analytics.google. We just need to open it in a new tab. Make sure you do that. Alright, here click on setup for free. Here type in the account name. This is pretty much just your account name. You don't need to type in your website, and click next. Yeah, we are going to be measuring the website, so make sure you choose that. Click next and type in your website name. This is just for analytics purpose, so just type in your website name. And the next is our website URL, so I'm just gonna quickly type in mine. Up next we have categories. So choose your website's category and your time zones. Click create. And make sure you read and accept the terms and conditions. It's always good to read it. Click on accept and then click I accept. Alright, ignore this for now and uncheck and save. No need of that. Now if you go right over here and then if you look for it, here's where you'll find your site, and this is how you need to access it. Anyway, so you don't really need to paste all these code or anything like that since we're going to use a plugin. Now all we need to go is go back to the tab and click here to try again and choose the same email and do the same thing. Click allow. And yep, here it is. So here we choose our site and click on complete connection. Yep, here you can review the settings. I would prefer to just leave it as it is for now because it comes with good settings anyway. Yeah, click save and continue. I'm going to skip this step for now. In case you wanted, you can. Alright, click finish setup. And we're done. So now to check if it has done correctly, just go back to the dashboard And here's where you see your pretty much your summary of the report. If you wanted to see, you need to go to the analytics for the entire report though. So there is no one right now on the site, but you can actually check that if you maybe open up an incognito mode in your browser, a private window, and then paste your URL. Alright, so now if you go back to your analytics, and if you see here it is. That's currently me on the other tab. That's about it, guys. Thank you for watching.